Traditional encaustic waxes create a soft, hazy quality many artists have sought to replicate. Encaustic painting requires a hot plate and a heat gun, and needs to be done on specially prepared rigid supports. Let's take a look at real wax being applied, so we can discover what golden products are most similar to it. The closest golden product to this liquid wax is the fluid matte medium. It readily brushes and flows onto the panel, and will level fairly well, but with some tool marks remaining upon drying. Next up is golden soft gel matte. It is also easy to spread onto a surface, but will retain more tool marks. The edges round or soften as it dries. Finally, we apply the golden high solid gel matte. It creates a lot of texture and is often applied with a palette knife instead of a paintbrush. Upon drying, all three golden products have developed most of the visual qualities of wax. Let's take a closer look at the wax surface. The surface is satiny and the edges rounded off. The fluid matte medium is level but retains some motion lines formed during application. The soft gel matte has developed distinct yet rounded edges from the knife. The high solid gel still has about the same degree of texture created when applied. Encaustic wax has a slight amber tone. To facilitate this, we will add some paint to our mediums. Into this puddle of fluid matte medium, we add just a couple of drops of fluid interference gold fine and quinacridone nickel azo gold. Artists have created many recipes to emulate the color of wax. This is just one of them. For the next mixture, we start with the same additions of paint into soft gel matte. Because this blend is probably much too strong for our needs, we'll take a small amount of it and add it into more gel. This approach allows for more control of the color intensity, which is very important when applying thicker layers of gel. The extended mixture is let down once more to provide a greater range for us to work with. The dry test cards give us a better idea of what to expect during use.